Somebody.
He's putting his weapons of terror.
He's buried somebody, look!
He's making that bomb and eat. Beautiful.
Where is he? I can't find him.
Pure craftsmanship.
Ben, you freak. What are you doing, you little freako? Ben, you fucking freak!
Look at him digging up the garden.
No, look at him.
He's fucking gone wrong. This is a picture of Ben gone wrong.
Ben! Are you a complete freak? Faisal, the rest of this videotape is for your benefit. Have a look at the butte mess.
Beautiful.
Look at those
What's
fucking
that?
fag butts.
Fag butts.
Fag butts. And my eyes hurting.
Have a look.
Bang! And don't be a fag butt all your life.
Second team started the day propping up the
I
table.
can't see anything, Can. You're in the light.
Good.
Shut the curtains, Anne.
Was drawn before Roger Garcia intervened. These players have had a
Shut the curtains. Elroy, tell us a story. Tell us a story, Elroy. Tell us a story.
Days of old.
Elroy.
even better 11 minutes later. Garcia's
What's that shit? Where'd you get that from?
I found it.
It's broken.
Show me free. Bennett, talk us through this little
So bin Laden.
this little experiment then, Benny.
Ben Warden.
Ben,
Warden, that's it.
talk us through what you're doing here. Talk us through what you've done.
The ant's an accessory.
You're both getting nicked.
Look mate, you said I'd get my daughter back when I've finished.
Ben, talk us through what you're doing, mate.
I'm doing this so I can get my daughter back.
Shut up,
Kidnapped her.
you fucking little queer. Andy, talk us through what Ben's doing.
Right, firstly, what he's done is he's implanted a double air bomb.
This is what I'm trying to see. Oh no.